Hey, I'm Laura, and if you're new around this YouTube channel, welcome. I share a ton of lunch ideas for school lunches and healthy meals. Mostly, I focus on fresh food, real ingredients, and meals that you can make fast. I've got 3 kids, and I've had my share of teenage exchange students, 7 years out of the last 10. So when it comes to feeding teenagers, I know a thing or two. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some healthy and fresh ideas for high school lunches. You know, the type of stuff one can feel good about eating without looking like a kiddie lunch. Before I get into those ideas, I have another video in this channel with all the supplies that are teen approved. You know, by high school, teens outgrow the kiddie lunchbox and containers. You'll find the link to that video in the description box below, right under that red subscribe button. Which, by the way, if you love easy and fresh meals and tacos, because oh my gosh, do I love to make taco videos. Because I'm having a taco moment. I'm like, oh my god. You should seriously think about clicking that red subscribe button. Anyways, ideas, right? A PB&J sandwich is probably not cutting it anymore. Mostly because it's just not enough food. Well, what type of other sandwiches do I recommend? Holy smokes, I've got a good Philly grilled cheese sandwich, which, by the way, you can make the night before and grill it in the morning, or just put it in the lunchbox ungrilled. If you love grilled sandwiches, I also have a taco grilled cheese, an apple grilled cheese, and more. I'll put the link to those videos right below for you. Chicken salad is also a great option. It's high in protein and it will keep any teenager full for quite a while. With a chicken salad, you can make wraps, a chicken salad, serve it on the side with crackers, a chicken salad sandwich, and even stuff an avocado with it. So many ideas just from one item, right? You can meal prep a big chicken salad for the week. The recipe is also below. And make all those 5 ideas and boom, healthy lunches all week long, which I show you how to make those in a video linked below. You can also use rotisserie chicken leftovers to make this delicious Greek chicken flatbread. Flatbreads and pitas are awesome, or you can just wrap it. You can pretty much stuff a wrap with anything, like this hummus and veggie wrap, which is really hearty. Because let's face it, having a tub of hummus in the fridge is always a good idea. It builds hearty lunches, provides protein, and it's a lifesaver when you're out of deli meat. Oh my gosh, don't let me forget to tell you about the hummus club sandwich. Everything you love about club sandwiches, but with hummus. That one is also in another video. Oh, another favorite wrap is the Cub salad wrap, made with hard-boiled eggs, turkey, tomatoes, cheese, and veggies, all wrapped up. It's a protein powerhouse and an awesome meal. When it comes to substantial lunches, you really can't beat wraps. They come together fast and they're super easy to make. The possibilities are endless, and you can make wraps as big or small as your tortilla will hold. Another favorite of my teenagers has been my famous burrito bowls. While they didn't have a microwave available, a thermos did the trick. Essentially, you can layer the rice, beans, taco meat or grilled chicken, cheese, and pico de gallo either in a bowl or inside the thermos. You can find all the teenage-approved lunch containers, thermoses, and bags in my Amazon store and in the description link right below this video. The final key element to building a lunch for teens is to include lots of sides. From whole grain pretzels, crackers, hummus singles, avocado singles, cheese sticks, which by the way, I keep them in the freezer, insert them frozen in the lunch bag, and they thaw out by lunch. No need for an ice pack there. You also want to pack lots of fruit. If the apples you send are coming home uneaten or being thrown out, perhaps try pre-sliced apples that can be snacked on throughout the day. Also, grapes or blueberries work really well even inside a zip bag because they don't get mushy throughout the day. I could go on and on with loads of ideas, but the key is having a variety of healthy options available from which to build a lunch. Below the video, I'm gonna post links to where to get all the TINA-approved containers, other videos with tons of lunch ideas with hard-boiled eggs, lunch ideas with turkey, lunch ideas with chicken salad, and so many more. And hey, if you liked today's video and want more awesome ideas every single week, then you need to go ahead and click on that red subscribe button, because every week you'll get a new video with fresh recipes for breakfast, dinner, lunch, and snacks. Oh, yes, and tacos, because I have a thing or two for tacos, so see you next time.